Hey everyone, in today's video, we will take a look and review some of the newest add-on animations and transition pack to the AeJuice family. AeJuice is already packed and loaded with tons of different effects, but I love the fact that they keep on adding more and more amazing packs to their ever-expanding library with constant updates. So without any further ado, let's jump straight into After Effects and get started. Alright, so here we are in After Effects, and the first pack that we will take a look today is called the Prism. So this pack contains a lot of amazing Prism overlays, like the basic Prism animations or overlays that you can see here. Then we have some broken Prism effect, which looks pretty cool and reminds me of that old school 90s hip hop music. Then we have the Kaleidoscope Prism, which is very cool and it looks really amazing if you have a really nice music video. And to use this Prism effects or overlays is also very easy. So let's create a new composition here. I'm going to call this render, and to apply this, all I have to do is select the animation that you like. So let's say I want to apply this one, select it and click on import. It's going to take a few seconds to import it, and there we go. And then just drag and drop in whichever video that you want below this, and boom, there we have a nice Prism overlay added on top of our video. Now you can jump into the Prism pre-comp, and there you have a controller layer. So if I go into effects and control, I get number of different control to control the animation of this Prism. So you can play around with all these settings, but usually they are pretty amazing right off the bat as you apply them. So usually what I do is select the layer, press T to bring down the opacity, and bring down the opacity a little bit, maybe like around 50%, and that's it. We are good to go. So if I just simply preview this really quick, so as you can see, it has added a nice moody tone to the complete video. So these are really cool if you create a lot of different music videos maybe, or vlogs or cinematic b-rolls. This can look really amazing, and there are so many different effects to choose from, and you can get really creative with this. So if I just make them a bit more bigger so you can see it more properly, some really interesting, and I think that these can be mostly used for music videos, especially if you want to add this really interesting effects, and it would definitely look very cool. The next pack that I want to talk about is the burning transitions, and this is one of my favorite transition pack. So adding this is also very easy. So let me add another clip on top of this one. So we have two different videos, and let's say I want to add a nice fire transition. So I'll place my time indicator right over here where the second video starts, and let's select the nice transition. So let's say if I want to add this one, I'm going to click on this, click on import, and now if I preview this, and there we have a very organic looking fire transition applied in just a single click. So there are again number of different styles of fire transition that you can choose from. They also offer Luma matte burning transitions, so you can use this as a Luma matte for your videos in case if you don't want the fire effect. Or you can select the transition, jump into that, and go into the controls, go into effects and control, and there you have the fire color. So if I want, I can change this to a different one and create some really interesting look. So pretty interesting and can be really cool with any kind of video that you want to use. Now let's delete everything and let's check out. So the next pack that I want to talk about is the animated markers. That is this one. So I can click to open that up, and this pack offers basically, as the name says, animated markers. So first we have alphabet, which are simple alphabets with the marker animation. Then we have a bit more wicked alphabets. Then we have arrows, circular animations, faces that you can add, lines, numbers, and some scrambles, shapes, symbols, and so much more. They also offer transitions that you can use, and this type of animation looks really cool. You can apply them on your motion graphics reel or a music video and make them even more cooler. So this is very useful in that case scenarios. The next one that I want to talk about is also a transitions, and it's the light sweep transitions, and this can be really cool for a fast paced video. For example, let's add maybe this one here. So we have a video of the Empire State Building, and I'm going to go a bit forward in time. Let's Control Shift D and let's add this. So here we have the first and the second angle. All right, and in between this I want to add a really nice fast paced transition maybe. So I can maybe select this and click on import. You can see we get another angle after this fast paced transition, which looks pretty cool. Now this is a very simple or slow video, so let's add maybe a faster video here. So let's see how it looks with this one, and I think it looks pretty damn cool. So you get the idea of how you can use these kind of fast paced transition to attract your viewers. And finally, the last pack that I want to talk about today is the history timeline animation that can be really useful if you create videos or documentaries for YouTube, and using them is also very simple. So I'll just clear up the timeline here, and let's go ahead and add a nice animation. So I'll select maybe this one. So I'll go at the very start. Let's select this and click on import, and there you go. There we have an animation which is looking very nice. Now in order to add the images and edit the text, you need to jump into this composition, and there we have the placeholder. So I can drag and drop any image that I want. So let's say I'll use maybe this video for now, just like so, and scale that up so it fits our composition, and go back and let's select the text. So this one is the blue one that is on the screen right now. So I can select this, double click to jump into that, and then change this to whatever date or whatever text that we want. So let's say and as you can see, the strip or the box is auto resizable, which is very nice to have, so we don't need to adjust anything. And boom, there we have, just in a few clicks we have edited and created this nice animation. Super easy, and most importantly saves you a hell a lot of time. Now I have been using different packs from AeJuice for quite some time now, and all of them are really unique, so I would definitely recommend you guys to go ahead and check them out. First link is in the description below. So with that said, that is a wrap for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this review video. If you did, make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to the channel if you're watching my video for the very first time. You can also follow me on Instagram at dope.motions and Nikhil Pawar. All the links are in the description below, and I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and always stay raw, stay creative. Peace out.